Hi, it's Mike Doyle here. We can't wait to come back to the Ffwrnes Theatre at Llanelli. We had such a fantastic time the last time we were there. What a welcome. And great sandwiches as well, I have to tell you. The band loved them, didn't leave me much. We're there on Friday the 20th of March with our Rocking with Laughter show with my special guest, Stephanie Webber. You might remember her from The Voice. Tom Jones was her mentor. Yeah, he thought that she was fantastic, so good enough for Tom, eh? Can't wait to come back. We love your theatre. We're there March the 20th. So we'll see you there.
Lucky with somebody else's partner. Don't compare.